Uh, Here's my Sea Eagle 285 FPB, which is a pontoon boat. It's a fantastic boat. It's seen about 5 years of use, and I've used it really hard. But over the last few months, it's started developing a lot of slow leaks, and I've been trying hard to fix them. And it's been very difficult to figure out where the leaks are coming from, especially the seam-related adhesive leaks. So what I did was I got myself a few cans of slime tube sealant and uh, put it into the tubes of the pontoon, and sure enough, here are the leaks. Um, Even though slime may not work to seal these leaks, it's certainly shown me where the leaks are coming from. Rather hard to identify in a big boat like this. And there's small leaks all over. And I'm really happy with the way slime seems to be working. It seems like a pretty big seam leak over here. There's lots of slime coming out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty the air out and use some 3M 5200 marine sealant to fix this seam up. It will probably take a few days to completely cure, but I know now where the leaks are, and makes my work a lot easier. And here are the tubes of slime. This is a tube sealant meant for small tube tires. I got them really cheap off Amazon, and this is an idea that you can use to fix your inflatable boat if it's leaking. Here I've deflated the pontoon on the boat in preparation for fixing the seam where the adhesive seems to have come off. And I had patched this in the past, but it looks like I left out a certain section of the end of the pontoon, and I'm going to redo it now. I found it very difficult to open out the valve covers because I hadn't opened it out in 5 years, and the plastic valve wrench that was supplied to the boat broke off while trying to open out these valves, and it seemed like they were really stuck in there pretty good. So I had to make a tool out of the end of an oar. I used one of the oars from the Sea Eagle, and on the end I used the Dremel to actually cut out slots corresponding to the valve, and I was able to apply a lot of force and open out the valve. So this may be useful for anybody looking to open out their stuck valves on their pontoons. The other pontoon also seems to have a leak, much smaller than the other side though, and this will need to be fixed as well. That's the only downside to these inflatable pontoons. After a few years, the adhesive starts to loosen up and the seams start opening up, but they are otherwise very comfortable craft to fish in, and I think Sea Eagle makes some really good boats.